Welcome back to Beauty for the Win, everyone. I'm excited to show you this hair mask. This is one of my favorites. 2 ingredients and your hair will be feeling a lot more soft, supple, repaired. So let's get it started. I have a 1/4 cup of coconut cream. I got this at the grocery store. It came in a can. A lot of the times coconut cream is found in the international aisle. Okay. So aside from that, we also have rose water. This is what the one that I got looks like. This is by Tamam. It's rose water, and I found this in the international aisle as well at the grocery store. You're going to need a 1/2 tablespoon of it. So just put it in there, and all you have to do is mix them together. It is so simple and just makes your hair feel amazing, guys. Okay, so the benefits of this, first of all, coconut cream is very good for moisturizing and nourishing your hair shafts as well as your dry scalp. It has omega fatty acids in it, which are amazing for stimulating hair growth. It is also great for repairing dry, broken hair, any type of split ends. This is like a miracle mask. Also, the rose water has a lot of vitamins in it. It is anti-inflammatory, as well as it just smells really good. So what you're going to do with this mask is apply all of it to your scalp and your hair, all the way down to your ends, and you are going to leave it on for 1 hour. And after the 1 hour, you shampoo your hair and you will just notice your hair just feels amazing.